On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok message problem in less than 1 minute. So first thing you wanna do, guys, is open the settings, and then you have to go into the apps manager, open the apps, and then go to TikTok like this, and then click on this force stop option and go to the storage. Click on clear cache, clear data, go back to the settings again, and this time you have to click on the wireless and networks. Go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then disable it like this. After that, you have to restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.